Hi, today we're showcasing our filter spindle kit. It's a stainless steel spindle with silicone washers that will allow you to turn any container into a filter system. It uses our larger pure distilling filter block. To show you how it all works, we're going to be upgrading an EZ filter to use our filter spindle kit. First, we fit the thumb screw into the hole in the base of the top bucket. If the hole is considerably larger than the thumb screw, we then fit the white washer first before the black O-ring. We then put the nut with the recess facing up. Make sure the thumb screw assembly is done up firmly. You'll never need to remove this. Once the thumb screw assembly is in place, we then fit the silicone washer with the large hole over the nut. Place our cartridge onto our spindle holder and screw it in place. Now that the unit's fully assembled, you can see the improvements that this will generate. To change the filter, it's a simple matter of unscrewing the spindle, removing the cartridge, getting your replacement pre-soaked cartridge in place, and screwing it back in. Simple. If the product is passing through your filter too slowly, there may be some debris caught in the core of the spindle. It's easy to fix. Using a paper clip, just clear any debris from both the small holes in the filter spindle until it starts flowing freely again. It may require a couple of tests. When fitting a new carbon cartridge onto your spindle kit, it's a good idea to soak the carbon cartridge in water until it sinks, and to release all the air from the cartridge to stop an airlock in your system. To prevent further dilution of your final product, one idea is to actually soak the carbon cartridge in a spirit mixture that's down to about less than 50% ABV. Thanks for watching.